Hello, my name is Ganesh Dange. Today date is 6 May 2024. My today topic is Java main method. The main method in Java uh, servers as the entry point of the standalone Java application. Its significant lies in initiating the execution of the Java program. This method is where the Java virtual machine JVM begins executing the code defined within it, understanding its structure and purpose is fundamental for any Java programming execution code. Defined with it, understanding its structure and purpose of fundamental in Java programming, declared with the keyword. It's called public. The main method is accessible from anywhere within the program. This accessibility ensures that it can be invoked by the JVM without the need to initiate an object of the class. The wide keyword significant that the main method does not return any value upon compilation. Java methods can either return value or be designed to void if does not return anything, since the primary objective of parameter string allow for passing the command argument to the program. This enables users provide inputs or parameters when including the Java application from the command line. The args parameter is an array of strings where each element represents a command line argument passed to the program. The main method structure including its accessible modifier. It's called public. Static returns static type of void and parameter list. Structure are must to specify signature mandated by the Java executed in JVM searches for the main method in the specified class and begins executing the code contains it. This code typically include the initializing the variables, defining object, invoking main method often serves as a central control point from which are on the program execution flow. The sequence of the action and functionalities defined within the program, acting as the starting point of the program logic. Summary: the main method in Java is a crucial component of the standard Java applications. Its role as the entry point for program execution, along with define structure and parameters. facilities and seamless initialize the control of the Java program, understanding and correctly implementing uh, the sequence of action and functionalities defined with the program, acting starting point of the program, logic summary, functionalities defined within the program acting as the starting point for the program's logic. In summary, the method in Java is the crucial component of any standalone Java application. Its role as the endpoint from the program execution, along with its defined structure and parameters, facilities, and seamless initiation and control of the program, understanding and currently implemented in the main method. Thank you.